Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome to brand new video. Today I will explain how to remove retakes and modify audio. Let's start. In this video I will show you how to remove retakes and enhance the quality of your audio using Adobe Premiere Pro. If you have lecture or any other audio that needs improvement, pay close attention. Sometimes there are repeated portions in the audio that need to be addressed. To do this, use the cutting tool which resemble a blade.
Involve the use of in the behaviors of individuals and groups. Correction. This can involve as well as to allocate resources and govern the behaviors of individuals and groups. This can involve the use of power and influence to shape policies, laws, and regulations, as well as to allocate resources and govern the behaviors of individuals and groups.
Carefully select the area containing the repeated audio and remove it by pressing the delete button. Look. Take a moment to listen again and ensure the audio flows smoothly without any repetition or unwanted noise.
Correction. Politics can be conducted at various levels, from local to national. Policies can be conducted at various levels. Oh, sorry. Politics can be conducted at various levels, from local to national to international, and can involve a range of actors, from elected. Correction.
Remember, it's important to remove any repeated or noise section from your voiceover to enhance its overall quality.
Are central to both religion and politics. In the realm of religion, power and influence can be wielded by religious leaders, institutions, and communities to shape the beliefs and behaviors of their followers, as well as to exert moral authority and promote social cohesion. In politics, power and influence can be used by elected officials, interest groups, and other actors to advance their agendas, gain support, and influence the decisions of those in positions of authority. Controversies and criticisms of religion. To advance their agendas, gain support, groups, and other actors to advance their agendas, gain support, and influence the decisions of those in positions of authority. Controversies and criticisms of religion. Controversies and criticisms of religion. Controversies and criticisms of religion refer to various debates and objections raised about beliefs. Controversies and criticisms of religion. Controversies and criticisms of religion. Controversies and criticisms of religion refer to various debates and objections raised about beliefs, practices, and Correction. Controversies and criticisms of religion. Controversies and criticisms of religion refer to various debates and objections raised about the beliefs, practices, and institutions associated with different religions. These criticisms and controversies can arise from internal or external sources and can be directed towards specific. Correction. These criticisms and controversies can arise from refer to various debates and objections raised about the beliefs, practices, and institutions associated with different religions. These criticisms and controversies can arise from internal or external sources and can be directed towards specific. Highlight the complex and dynamic relationship between religion.
Once you have completed the removal of retakes and unwanted noise, it's recommended to minimize the gaps between all audio segments. This will ensure a seamless listening experience. After you have made these adjustments, you can save the audio in MP3 format. To do this, navigate to the export option and select MP3. Choose a desired name for the file and save it in your location. I hope this tip help you improve your audio editing skill. If you found this video useful, please don't hesitate to comment, like and share. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more informative videos. Thank you so much.